In this video, we're going to build on the previous video where we looked at the left formula, and we'll be looking at the right formula in Excel. The right formula allows you to extract a specific number of characters from the end of a cell. This is incredibly useful when working with names, IDs, product codes, or any situation where important information appears at the end of a piece of text. Let's jump in and see how it works. In the example, we have a list of user IDs that is conveniently split into location, then name, then ID number. In this cell, I'll start typing our right formula, and you can see how the formula is built out. Firstly, we have to reference the cell that contains the data we want to examine. Then, after a comma, we tell Excel how many characters we want to return from the end of the cell. Let's pull the ID number for each user into this column. I'll continue the formula by specifying A2 as our cell reference, and then, as all the ID numbers appear to be 4 letters, after the comma, I'll specify 4 as the number of characters to return. Now, I'll drag that down, and you can see that the 4-letter ID number is reflected for each row. And that's it for the right function. It extracts characters from the end of a text string. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more Excel tutorials.